Hey everyone, it is Friday, August 18th. The time is 4:15 p.m. and I am here in front of the Sky Ride on opening day at the Canadian National Exhibition. And for this one, just like I did last year on opening day, I'll be hopping on the ride here from the western side of the midway.
And keep your hands close to your chest. Exit quickly to the gate on your left.
And we'll be heading over the midway to the east. And I already recorded this ride today, but I think I goofed and left my camera zoomed in the whole time.
Huh?
So I figured I might as well just re-record it while I still have several ride tickets left. So that is what we are doing.
Thank you.
Whoop.
It's okay, I got it.
Thank you. We fumbled the handoff there, but he picked up the ticket. These guys must go insane listening to this over and over again all day.
Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now. Keep your riding. Please remove your hands from the handrails. Keep your hands close to your chest. Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now. Keep your riding. Please remove your hands from the handrails and keep your hands close to your
Thank
chest.
you.
Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now.
And we are off. This is actually my fourth time today on this ride.
Keep your hands close to your chest. Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now.
As I just live streamed and I wrote it in each direction on the live stream, I also went on the big wheel over there. As mentioned, this is opening day. And it's definitely busier now than it was when I got here several hours ago. It's rained lightly off and on all day, but it hasn't really been a big deal. And whenever it stops, there seems to be an issue with loading people on and off. And on the left is BMO Field, home of the Toronto Argos of the Canadian Football League and the Toronto FC of Major League Soccer. And the stadium will be expanded once more for when the World Cup rolls into town, as Toronto, the US, and Mexico are joint hosting the next games. And there's a look south towards Ontario Place. And the Budweiser stage right next to it. And for a temporary Ferris wheel, I have to say that's one of the biggest ones I've ever seen. There used to be a very big wheel at Darien Lake in the US. That's a Six Flags park, but that one was dismantled a few years ago. So I was able to scoop up 8 ride tickets for $22 as part of their opening day deal. And general admission was only $13. And other than the Sky Ride 4 times, I also rode that Ferris wheel. And I did the drop tower off in the distance, which was pretty awesome. I've still got 2 ride tickets left. I'm debating giving them to someone or getting in 2 last rides before I leave. There's a mini log flume ride. There used to be a log flume at Ontario Place, a permanent one. There also used to be one at Canada's Wonderland. And it's a shame. Those are one of my favorite kinds of rides. And in addition to the live stream I just did, I also walked around the Midway and some of the other parts of the CNE. And if that video is not up on the channel by now, it will be soon. That ride over there is called Mach 3. I haven't seen that roller coaster Outlaw operating today, unfortunately. And earlier in the day, the Crazy Mouse wasn't working. And that smaller Ferris wheel wasn't working either. It's good to see that's up and running. Kind of double fisting here. I've got this camera in one hand, taking some snaps with my phone in the other. I have to wonder if anyone's ever dropped anything off of this. I bet they have. Starting to get pelted by some light rain. That guy wanted to do rock, paper, scissors, but I was fiddling with my phone. That's, of course, the iconic CN Tower off in the distance. There sure is a lot to see and do here if you head into all these buildings. And I'm thinking of coming back in a week or so and doing just that. So this is taking us towards the Prince's Gates, the eastern entrance to the CNE. On the western end, there are the Dufferin Gates, and there's another entrance where the streetcars and GO train will drop you off, just over in that direction. I would imagine they have generators they could hook up to this thing if the power cut out. Oh, they seem to be having issues. It's been stopping a whole lot.
Remove your hands from the handrails and keep your hands close to your chest. Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now. If you're riding, please remove your hands from the handrails and keep your hands close to your chest.
This guy must think I really like this thing.
On your left. Exit now.
All right. Thank you. Gotta get your feet pedaling. Just so you can run off that thing. And I hope you enjoyed that ride on the Skyride.
From the handrails and keep your hands close to your chest.
Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. If you wish to support what I do on YouTube, there's links to my channel member and Patreon, channel membership and Patreon down below. There's also a super thanks button below the video if you wish to say thanks that way, and I have an Instagram account at Johnny Strides. All right, I'm going to make my way over to the streetcars. So, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. And yes, I'm aware I don't need to be wearing the sunglasses on a day like this. Yoink.